Everyone, it's Jen from practicalbydefault.com, solutions for the working homeschool mom. And today I am unboxing a brand new box. This is a subscription box called Love with Food. So this is what it looks like. Now, most of the boxes I unbox here are for homeschooling, but this box is not. I mean, you could make it into a homeschool assignment or experiment, I'm sure, but this box is a food box. So I don't know if you're familiar with the company. I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. I came across Love with Food last year. I was looking for a subscription box that delivered gluten-free foods to homes. They don't do just gluten-free, they do all kinds of different foods, and they are snack foods. They actually have 3 different boxes. They have the tasting box, which is a smaller box. I think it starts around $8 at the time I last checked. And it has 7+ snacks in it. So what the company does is they go around and they look for healthy foods that they curate and put in the box just for you. And every box is different for each month. They also have the Deluxe box, which is this one. You'll see here, it says right on the bottom. And it has 15+ boxes. And one of the really cool things about this company is that every time you purchase a box, they donate at least 1 meal to families in America. So the tasting box is donated 1 meal, and the Deluxe box, they donate 2 meals. This is a subscription box, so it is recurring, but you can cancel at any time. There's no cancellation fee or anything like that. One thing I did want to make note is I live in Canada, so I would be considered international. So I am not able to get the small tasting box. I had to check. But they do ship to US and all of their territories. And it's free shipping within US and the territories. And the Deluxe box that I'll be unboxing today and showing you what's inside is $3.99 a month for shipping. And it's international, that's international shipping. There's one more box I didn't tell you about, and that is the gluten-free box, and that has 10+ snacks, and it donates 2 meals. Each of the boxes come with reward points, and there's a special spot on their website, and I'll put the link in the description of this video so you can go check it out. And with those reward points, you get to spend at their shop. All right, I think you have enough background on the box and the company. Now let's take a look. So all I've done is remove the plastic wrap. So as you can see, the box came in perfect condition. That's something I always look for, especially where I'm international. Sometimes they can get really smashed, and when they have food inside, you don't want broken jars or whatever. So we're gonna see if there is anything. I'm guessing there's no glass inside, but we'll find out. Now today, I might taste test a few for you. I'm not very good at hiding my expressions, so you'll know right away if I don't like it. But I'm also really picky. But we'll see, and I'll definitely have a taste test with my kids and my family, and I'll let you know the results. So keep an eye open for those. All right, so when I open the box, this is what it looks like. Can you see inside there? All right, so first thing you see is a thank you message, which is super cool, and then a place so you can get your points. So this is the points card. I'm not going to turn it over because it has the URL, and I don't know if it's if every box is different. So that's what it looks like. All right, so the cool thing about this is that there's all kinds of different companies. So this is the first thing that I see. It is gluten-free natural super seeds, so dark chocolate and sea salt pumpkin seeds. I might try those. We'll see. Okay, then we have this one here. This is cool. I've never heard of this company. ZZ's Strawberry Grams Whole Grain. They're made in a nut-free facility. As far as I know, all of their snacks also, they don't have MSG. Quinoa chips. That might be kind of cool. They are sea salt. That's 3. This here. You see it? Oh, I think I have it backwards. There you go. It is a pork stick. Maple barbecue. Vegetarian fed. Premium pork. Gluten-free. So that's cool. All right, what's this? I've never seen that either. Drizzlicious crunchy drizzle bites with rice, chia, quinoa, and flax s'mores. Mmm. It says made with dark chocolatey drizzle. Then we got pretzel heat. So if you guys have tried any of these, just let me know. I would love to hear what you thought of these things. Honestly, most of these are brand new brands to me. Honey mustard and onion, seasoned pretzels. Okay then. I think I'll let the kids try those first. Okay, these are cool. Edamame berry fusion. And these are also non-GMO, preservative-free, source of protein, low in sodium, and gluten-free. Cool. That looks pretty neat. Okay. Oh, this I know. Fruit on the go. We have these here in Canada in a local grocery store. Sunripe fruit on the go, and they are gluten-free, nut-free. Cool. Oh, this looks good. They are dark chocolate sea salt caramels. Mmm. I might have to hide that one. Fair trade. Just looking to see what's in them. They look good. Oh, a caffeinated energy bar. So I absolutely love energy bars and protein bars. I know a lot of people don't. In fact, I was watching an unboxing video and this mom was like, oh, all energy bars are disgusting. All protein bars are bad. And I was like, what? I love those things. So this is a kind of cool thing. It's maple blueberry. I'm interested in that. Oh, popcorn. So that's cool. I've never heard of this brand before. I'm not even going to try to say the brand. It's all natural GMO, non-GMO, gluten-free, spicy nacho cheddar. Looks good. Oh, okay, that's cool. Ghee butter. Never seen that before. Grass-fed. Cool. Neat, neat. Okay, what's this? Super Seed Energy Bar with cocoa nibs. Cool. Okay, this is an apple, Simply Wholesome Oatmeal Bar. Cool. And it is no preservatives, soft bake. Very neat. Okay. I don't know what this is. RX Bar. It's a protein bar. I'm seeing a few protein bars in here. So this is, it says exactly what's on it. Can you read that? It says 3 egg whites, 6 almonds, 4 cashews, 2 dates, and no BS. It's pumpkin spice. Cool, cool. Okay. This one is a paleo, vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free Jenga banana with coconut. No sugar added. Cool. This is so neat. I have not heard of, oh, I did hear of these though. And these are Harvest Snaps. So we have these here. So only 2, and that's the end. So let's see. 2 out of all of them are ones that we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I want to see how many are in here. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I think I'm going to hide this one. 16 and 17. So there are 17 snacks in this box. This is the deluxe box. These 2 I'm most intrigued about. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a list and we're going to have a taste test, and I'll share with you guys the results to see who liked what we thought of it. If you've tried any of these brands or you've tried the deluxe box before, I would love to hear. So leave a comment in the comment section of this video. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll talk to you later. Okay, bye.